In today's video, I will be going over how you can take full control of your preset volume and teach you all about the most powerful features inside your Axe FX 3 unit and Axe Edit 3. This is a really important topic as it can make a huge difference in the overall sound of your presets. In today's video, I'll be going over some examples to show you how to properly level your presets and get the best possible sound out of your Axe FX 3. So stick around. This one's going to be a twanger? No, a banger. This one's going to be a banger. So let's get into it. Okay, cool. So what is preset leveling and gain staging? Well, it's the process of adjusting the levels of each block inside your preset so they all sound balanced and even. This is really important because if one block is too loud or too quiet, it can throw off the entire sound of your preset. Let's take a quick look at an example I've prepared for you. Here we have a preset with a distorted block and a delay block. And if we play a riff, you'll notice that the delay is much too loud compared to the distortion. So as you can hear, the delay is overpowering the distortion and it's not sounding very good. So to fix this, we will need to level the blocks. And to do this, we'll go into the editor and adjust the levels of each block individually. We'll start by lowering the level of the delay block because it was cranked all the way up to like 16. And we'll kind of go through some gain staging principles and we'll, if we're feeding into another block, we want to feed in that same volume from one block to another block and see how that sounds. One quick way to do some gain staging inside of Axe Edit 3 is just disabling blocks. So I'll play something real quick here and then I will enable and disable again the delay block. And then from there, we can kind of get back to our levels once we engage it again. So let's keep it disengaged now. Okay, so then now what we'll do is we will re-engage it and play the same riff. And as if you heard there, it's very, very, very quiet. So we will need to bring up some of the volume. So let's bring that up another, a few more, and let's try that again. Okay, and as you could tell, we're still not quite there. So let's bring that up again to, let's say about there and try one more time. And that sounds fairly decent, and you can kind of tell like it's a much better balanced mix. And so that's what I kind of recommend. You just kind of go through and engage and disengage these blocks and set your volumes accordingly and just kind of use a meter so you can understand. Don't always rely on your ears, use both. We have the tools, we have the tech. Cool, so if you like that kind of thing, give it a try, see how it works for you. Let me know. I'd be curious to hear what tips you have that maybe I left out in this video. But yeah, as you can see, preset leveling is a really important part of getting the best sound out of your Axe FX 3. And if you have any questions or comments about preset leveling, please leave them down below. I will answer every one of them as long as they're on topic. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I have been Eric. You have been awesome. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah. And before I forget, don't forget that everything is an experiment. I see you. I see you. I do. I see you. Peace.